morning, guys. So I decided to bring you guys along with me on a day in my life video. So let's get to it. So first thing, I just got ready. I'm going to the gym. So I just put my shoes on and I said, let me record a vlog. So I'm gonna go have breakfast now. Let's go.
You better walk away. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Only one love at the side of the fire. Someone who can handle me. Someone cut your heart too deep. Oh yeah, oh yeah. If you try to come closer, I'ma give you some closure. Before you know it, it's over. So run away, run away. I'm not trying to hurt you, but I will if I have to. I'ma tell you what I do. Run away, run away. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite to dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. What can I do? Gotta keep every heart safe, so we make it out alive. I don't wanna waste no time. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Try to play nice so I won't give you heartache. Trust me, baby, when I say, girl, you better walk away. Oh yeah, oh yeah. If you try to come closer, I'ma give you some closure. Before you know it, it's over. So run away, run away. I'm not trying to hurt you, but I will if I have to. I'ma tell you what I do. Run away, run away. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite to dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps.
You said that you needed me.
I have in my gym bag. I have
like a cargo, you will carry me.
dark in here. So
I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking. I said that I needed you, like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't rush of emotions. Sometimes I'm delighted, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call on me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run out on me leaving this bar?
Alright guys, so I'm back home now. I'm gonna go clean this room. Speaking of this room, house update. We got this table now. Let me turn it on. Alright, we got this table for the dining room. So this is the dining room. I need to clean it up so we can replace this light today. And then I don't know if you guys can see the table, but I'll definitely show you guys better view of the table when it's done cleaning, because right now I have stuff over it. These things are for the lighting. So we're gonna remove this and put a chandelier here. And I just need to pick up some stuff, remove these things. I just need to clean up basically. So let me give you guys a better view. I need to remove all of these stuff. This is the table. I bought some placemats and I was trying them out on the table and see what they look like. I love the colors. Here's a better view of them. I got those placemats at Burlington, I wanna say. And then speaking of update, the new couch. So basically this couch is gonna go in this room right here, and then the couch in this room gonna go up here. So I'm gonna we left this couch in here for now because we're using the other couch, but this is what this couch is. It's gonna be smaller because I'm gonna buy chairs to put in the living room to try to make it semi-formal but not really. So the updates, this table, the couch, these stuff are things that I just bought. I got this I got this curtains for my bedroom. And speaking of my bedroom, let me show you guys some updates in the bedroom. So basically we painted the bedroom gray. Here it is. And I love this color because it kind of make it more cozy. And we're gonna change the chandelier too, but we haven't gotten to that. So I'm gonna show you guys the chandelier living room. But this is the bedroom. I think I like this color better, and we wanna add crown molding on here. So I'll give you guys an update of that if we do it. We actually painted here too. This is laundry I need to put away, so don't mind it. And then this is the new light. Let me turn it on so you guys can see it. Look at that. It is beautiful. This is the chandelier that's also a fan. Yes. I like the fact that you can't see the fan on there, so yeah. This is the light without this is the chandelier without the light on. Anyways, I think that's all that happened that I didn't show you guys yet. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the living room before it's time for me to go get the kids, so that it can be nice and neat, so my husband can be able to replace the chandelier here. We're making moves slowly but surely, but we're getting there. So I'm gonna go ahead and thank God I had a little smoothie already. So I'm gonna just go ahead and tackle this mess here, get here ready, and then I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, I am all done fixing the room. I just broomed the floor out the way. I didn't clean the table yet, but I just realized that I didn't tell you guys. The reason why you're not seeing the chairs is because the chairs were out of stock, but we'll receive them soon. I don't know how soon. They gave me the date, but I can't remember what date they said, but I'm sure it's like the end of the month or maybe beginning of next month. So this is it. My husband added these to the house. You can control them with your phone. We have them all over now. Oh, another update is the handles for the door. These were gold, but we don't have gold anymore. I'm gonna insert a video for you guys to see what it looked like before. So this is what this is now. Done fixing the light. I will come back and show you guys what the light looked like. This is the before. In my next video, I'm gonna show you guys what the light look like. All right, see you in a little bit. So guys, I am on my way to go get the kids now. Usually when it's raining like this, they have us get out the car and come get the kids, which I don't understand why, but I have my umbrella. This is what I'm wearing. I'm just gonna go. I'm actually leaving here a little bit early because I usually have issues finding parking, so I'm gonna go get the kids now and then come back home, get them stuff to eat. Oh, I realized that this morning I started the vlog right when I was going to the gym. Next time I'll record from when I wake up, get the kids ready for school and stuff like that. But this time I decided to vlog after the kids went to school, so we'll do that next time. So this is Jovan and Gilana. Say your name so they know who you are. They're not shy. They actually have their own YouTube channel, which I will link in my description box. So you guys need to introduce yourself so they can go find you. Yeah, and she is 7 and Johan is 8.5. He's almost 9. So we're just gonna go home now, and I'll see you guys when I get home.